Great news, everybody. I never do this, but for the first time ever, and only for the next 48 hours, we're giving away our courses at a 30% discount. So what's going to happen is when you go to, for example, CELPIP, the CELPIP course, and by the way, this offer applies to any course, any self-paced course on the website. Once you go here, link is in the description. You can check out this course. It includes everything you need to pass the exam. You get 5 complete mock tests on all modules that reflect the real exam difficulty level, 15 hours of video instructions that cover every single tip and trick, the secrets, the detailed and complex copy-paste templates that are also the updated versions that you do not find on YouTube. So you get the whole recipe, words needed for CELPIP, how to impress the examiner, some additional features, and free feedback on your writing and speaking for one complete test right now at a 30% discount only for the next 2 days. So when you add it to the cart, you can enter the coupon code HZad3 that is mentioned in the description as well, HZAD3. Enter that, you receive 30% off, and we're going to remove this exactly in 48 hours from now. So avail this offer. You can also use other courses on our website to your advantage to improve your level. This includes courses like the OET course if you're doing that. There's also an IELTS course. There's also the CELPIP upgrade package which comes with 5 additional mock tests plus some more resources that you can read there. There's also the English course, English 101, the feedback where you get 5 writings and speakings marked for 5 tests basically. So check those out. You can avail multiple offers only in the next 2 days. Apply the coupon code HZad3 and benefit from this offer. A lot of people are booking their exams in September, so use this to your advantage. We will never do this again. This is only for this month for 2 days. After that, we're going to go back to our original prices. If you have any questions, our email is in the description as well.